Why is this taking 3 minutes, man? Like, I have to sit here and cringe at this image I put in the Overwatch general.
Did you look at the GIF though with the Sombra? You just see Kurt boop them into the Diva ult. It's great.
It was pretty good.
I don't know how we lost that, dude. That was so depressing.
Yeah, we
McCree was a literal bot, dude.
I mean the comp game that we were playing last night.
We absolutely annihilated them on that point, and then we just fucking...
And then, I don't know, shit went downhill. I think when they swapped off Brig and we lost the third healer, like, I don't know, it was going well.
Man, I want to do more comp, but I was scared I'm going to get even lower and like further away from the platform.
Yeah, I think I'm just going to have to accept that I need to SR to learn and then gain SR.
Yeah. That's sort of what I've been doing though, like, I mean, you can lose one game, but then you lose, like, you win 2 games, you end up with more SR anyway.
Yeah, pretty much. White
I
nail,
want to be bad at the Genki.
See the way you spelled that, are you talking about an armor or...?
Me.
Yes. I know what you're talking about, but I know exactly what you mean. But...
Wait, do you guys have the dance emote?
Wait, I'm just talking about the guy on that team.
Someone else picked Lucio.
I'm just talking about the guy on the team called White Nail.
I was gonna do the Lucio DJ emote.
Look at how big I am.
What the hell am I looking at? Like, Lucio's twink or something.
You are his daddy.
How big was I compared to him? Holy shit.
He was like the size of one of your feet.
Oh.
He was sneaking me up. Oh my god.
Have attack.
My wall didn't go up. If this is another fucking it's the same armor, I'm pretty sure. No, it's a different one actually.
Oh, I haven't.
Oh, he panic stunned.
You're dog shit.
No, leave him alone.
I was just gonna leave him in there.
He didn't have his stun.
Oh, Anna's actually 1 HP.
I get him so I can get my dash back.
Quick, he can't sprint.
Get it? So many things.
Bye bye.
Oh, I'm so bad at Genji.
Kurt, did you get slapped?
That was me.
No. You would have heard of it if it was me. Dinky Dinky!
Oh, nice on Cream.
Got him.
Dude, can you have a big head hitbox, please?
That might be play, if no one does anything better.
Nice.
Don't worry, my ultimate's gonna be terrible as usual on Genji.
Oh, when you ult, okay?
But I'm bad.
No.
But I'm bad.
They have a Sombra now.
Oh, okay.
So if I
What? I went to shoot an honor and I shot an invisible Sombra!
Kurt, come back! Kurt, come back!
The fucking invisible Sombra, he just emptied the bullet to them.
Oh, if you could go in and anti-heal them now.
You ready? Ready?
Go for it.
Oh god, right on me, dude. He's got shatter.
Why me? Yeah, don't worry. All I did was just trash. You're still getting play. I hate. Now you guys are gonna cap, and I'm not gonna be there. And I'm just gonna like hang myself on this fucking shark or something.
Their Sombra is really bad, dude. She couldn't kill me despite like moving in a predictable cat. She's on high ground. She's super low. Low.
One. She tried to. Well, she did hack
Have
me.
attack.
Got enough of these motherfucking hamsters on my motherfucking payload.
Not fucking going anywhere, Hammond.
I don't even know what I'm looking at anymore. I'm scared.
Honestly, same. I'm gonna pick one. Fuck.
Not anymore. She keeps getting killed.
Ryan tagged. I saved our
Fucking
loot.
takes no
I have EMP again. I have EMP.
Huge. could snipe the Sombra. But wait,
I
Sombra.
spent so long trying to kill her. Who are you fighting over there? Oh, okay.
Aren't you lucky, McCree?
I'm gonna hack the Rhine, okay?
That
One
hook
tag.
was...
One tag. Oh wow, that was murder. Kill her.
Fuck you, McCree.
Whoa! Get him.
I don't even know what's happening.
She's gonna MP.
Oh, I knew she.
Ow. Why?
Can I like not be hacked, please?
5 deaths, no kills, feels bad, McCree.
What is happening?
Fuck, I have 19 kills, holy shit.
One ahead of me.
Wait, can you get like interrupted and go back invisible again?
Wait, what?
I don't know. Because I've had like them bump into me, but they still don't turn on invisible. It's kind of weird.
Yeah, it's sort of
I guess
weird.
it's the same.
That's the detective I'm so dead by. I'm not dead.
Yeah, I know, but like this, she was visible for like a whole 3 seconds, and then she went invisible again. I was like, oh, okay.
Hammond's hacked.
What's into mines?
Didn't he just use it? I mean, ping. Get him, Cream! Behind.
Okay, I cucked him.
Oh, nice one. Quick, wall them off.
I just like he stunned himself basically.
Oh, nice ult.
They're coming on the... Fuck, I had 22 kills and that wasn't even horrible.
Get the easy clip.
I don't think that McCree got a kill the entire time.
Hey.
Nice.
When he got his ult, I walled him off.
Which odds the end one?
Yeah. That's okay though, because I had my EMP. I'm upvoting myself.
Wait, I can endorse you, I'm pretty sure.
I had 27 people hacked. That's how good at the game I am.
You know that?
For a 5-minute match.
That wound have been a 6-minute.
That would have been a 6.
Yeah, then McCree snuck up behind and fucking high noon, so I just put a wall in front of him. He didn't get a kill the entire match either.
Oh, that is so sad.
Pressy.
It was
Actually
like 5
depressing.
The gold gun looks so good with the Overwatch League skin for this. The League grey skin.
Kurt, where did you want to go? Okay.
Oh, unless you want to play some rough.
Oh no, I'm not gonna play Sombra. I was deep.
I'm just gonna go sneak up and sit next to this spawn.
Why does the cartilage in my ear have to be so sensitive?
What?
I got a new headset and it just hurts my ears.
Unlucky.
You get the deep.
You see, recently
Yeah.
I've been... I don't know, it's really weird because I have to crack my jaw now.
Oh.
Like once or twice a day.
Hey guys, you reckon I can stay
It feels
invisible?
just really uncomfortable. It's fucked up.
You could
I don't know
literally
what
stay
it is, I just got like...
invisible.
Any headset that I wear, the cartilage in my ears just hurts constantly.
I think that's the universe trying to tell you to give up.
Yeah.
This is a bitch of a spot back
Never
here,
give
too.
up, I'll just be in pain constantly.
Yep.
Sorry, I was taking a massive
Oh, yeah.
shit just then.
Just walking around saying invisible. Do you reckon I can stay invisible the entire match?
Yeah, just go around and say boo.
You probably can't, they'll kick you for AFK.
No, they'll literally. I literally did it for one of the matches. So, I mean, I had to participate towards the end because of losing.
The Sombra chucked it.
Oh my god, where did all of my HP go?
Oh my god, all of them are up there. That was terrifying to say the least.
My mail can't find the spawn.
Ow.
That's tough.
Sombra chucked his translate at
help me.
whacked it really close.
Oh, bye bye.
We've
What
got
is happening over
we've got
here?
solo, he'll lose you, I guess I'm...
I mean, they haven't
No, how?
Might change, but
That was so retarded. I jumped, landed, and he just hit me in the head
oh, I
randomly.
got hacked in baby diva form. Oh no, what am I gonna do? Use my.
I was literally behind the wall as he shot me.
Not know how to play Sombra, you nub. Absolute nub.
Probably only playing Sombra because the Sombra changes. Ooh, they have a Widow now.
Get him.
Since the start, she
Oh
didn't
no,
do
I
anything.
should have eaten that. Kurt, why did you block yourself off?
I blocked them so they couldn't shoot you.
Oh, babe.
I was like, no.
Ah,
Fuck off, Widow. I have no damage fall off. I'll snipe you. Never mind.
Nah, she's trying to peek, but she can't hit anything. It's the Hanzo that keeps hitting everything.
this Sombra sucks. I'm dying. Bye bye.
Someone's like can just spray and pray.
Thanks, cream. I ate it. I couldn't eat that.
Dying.
Oh, I got hacked. I got hack-AO'd. It's alright, the Sombra sucks. Doesn't matter. She can't seem to demech me despite when she.
Oh lord, like dinkers. Oh my god.
Oh my god, Hammond's like 1.
Don't ask me how I survived that, because even I
Oh,
don't
that's
know.
the way to get rid of them all. You just put a wall in the middle.
Hammond's coming around.
Stop peeking me, you got the advantage. You can just peek forever.
Oh, dope.
Wall breaks those things so good. Fuck.
He's so low. Hit him like twice and he's dead.
How is he not dead?
Why is there
Why?
a Sombra behind though?
Thanks for that
Yeah.
BB.
If you want to kill the mine says May, just put a wall in the middle of them and it blows them all up.
Oh, really? Wow.
Yeah.
I have OT.
It was just like,
Oh, I shot at you. That's not fair.
no!
Oh no, Kurt.
Arrow curved into my bro.
Oh, there's a. Nice.
That Hanzo could pick shots for 1190.
No, we can't. It's spam.
Yeah.
It's so
Widow's a
Hanzo.
hero.
Nah, she's bad.
Oh, I had to sleep up.
Where is she? I'll smack her.
Oh, the roof! I'm not
Not a health
throwing.
pack is still mine. Why would you single ult me?
She single on you.
Yeah, so she could get the health pack.
What? Okay then.
Oh.
What a nub.
How did she even hit me? I'm not even in her view
Oh,
anymore.
oh my god.
Get her, Cream.
She's won.
I got taken out of mech. Oh god, this is not a
I
situation.
just wasted my ult. So
I tried to get in there, but like I got dunked
Their
on.
launch was actually trash. I hate it. I don't think we can do this. Wow. Kurt, come back behind me.
Oh, she did.
I'll rest.
I'm coming to the right, I'm pretty sure.
Do not let that Sombra hack me, whatever you.
Okay, there we go.
Watch this happen, watch this happen, watch this happen.
Oh, the sleep. No.
Fucking so much with freeze.
Sombra on the high ground.
Okay. Tickle her if she tries to hack.
She does not like me.
Now their team is entirely useless now.
Sombra behind.
Me. Why did she hack her?
She's here.
She should have hacked me. Thank you for the heal. My shield's breaking out, I'll put it down. Oh, I'm gonna get hacked. Yeah.
Why does she keep sleeping me of all people?
No sniping me.
Why? Stop fucking focusing me, you fuck.
Thank you.
Get him!
She keeps hacking me.
Oh, I got flipped when I put my shield on.
I have ult. Oh, I was hiding around the corner forgetting that Sombra has her,
How did we have it again? Oh.
her low hefty.
Oh, what a game, dude. I'm getting flanked from all angles.
Wait.
Man, this Sombra has a massive hard on for me, but she's bad at aiming.
The Hanzo needs to be dealt with.
Yeah, I'm trying. Every time I look at him, like, someone else would just, like, shoot me in the face.
Fuck.
كلام الأكبر مني.
Got two though.
Oh, nice, David. Shred that bitch. Oh!
Widow has sight.
Both of
Nice! Sombra,
Oh, this is
just piss
David,
off.
back up.
Holy crap, why are they there? All three of them.
Spawn now.
He's got
This is the
HP.
spawn now. They
He's
can't.
waiting for us to group up.
Yeah, but, like, they didn't go out through the entrance, they went out the side.
Where are you?
He tried, I saw it.
Oh, what? How did she sleep? Help me!
Jesus Christ, even when I'm nowhere near her, she's still trying to kill me.
Bye, shield. He has it again? Oh wow, nice catch. Oh, the Hammond's feeding him. That's how he has it. Oh my god, I
Yeah,
knew
straight for me, as usual.
I should have dropped my shield like straight away.
Oh god.
No, I couldn't put my shield up in time. Free.
You were an act anyway, wouldn't you? Oof, that
Yeah, I was hacked, but I didn't end.
that Hammond's a fucking whiteboard too.
Whoa, spawn camp.
Froze her in the headshot. Fuck off, Sombra!
No! No!
Fucking hack.
No!
None of this is ready. Get in there, and I'll get you.
Oh, she's hurt.
What?
I'm gonna get pulled off.
She's mine.
Behind, there's a Hanzo coming behind.
Love
I
that
hope he's
shot.
definitely not coming in my behind. I would not like that.
No space for you to do anything. That's when it's called to walk.
I want to spawn camp.
What does he mean he has no space? He's a literal sniper now. What the fuck is he complaining about?
What?
No, this widow sucks and she's getting backup. It's not fair.
Bye, Hammond. No!
Who even fed him that time? I don't even.
I actually don't know. Hammond?
It wasn't me.
I hate this Hanzo. Why did he
Left
not
it up
get
top.
out?
She was having a big nap. Thank you for sleeping her, Cree.
Yeet.
She like napped and I just walked up to her and shot her at the head.
You're going to be okay.
Like, bye bye.
Let me. Guys,
Peek
go
again.
back and.
I have gold damage,
Again.
by the way.
Help, help, help over here.
Where are you?
No, why is the wrecking ball over here? Help.
Oh! Nice catch!
Guys, look out behind you.
Oh, behind? I can't,
Up
dude.
on high ground.
Oh, he's on high ground.
What even was that?
Watch out for a flanking McCree.
Oh, flanking recruit.
I
Yeah, my
reckon.
shield's gonna be have to put down now. I can't hold it up, it's breaking.
No! I didn't have my hook.
Now, bitches. There's a flanking McCree.
I'm so sad that I missed out on that because I got like pulled down but I killed them all.
god, over there.
Fuck!
Get over here, you Jew!
Juice.
Come here, Juzo! Put your wall down!
Nearly cocked it from the
sorry.
car.
Oh, so bad I didn't miss that.
I did so much. Holy shit. I cucked
What is-
them. I cucked so many people with sleeps and nades.
Wait, why did they get it? Wait, what happened with Arissa?
I killed 2 of them, and then the Orisa pulled me into the pit, then I didn't have my hook.
When you can't shoot through a wall, so you just fucking queue.
I gotta give it to Nigel. I had to do it to him.
8494. How much healing did I have? It was really close. 82. I had 82.
I had gold damage. I don't know.